Now this is slightly tricky question of quadratic functions, quadratic equations. Okay, so you have to have a knowledge of the nature of the roots, for what value of discriminant there will be different nature of the roots. So this one thing will be required in this question. Now function fx is defined as x square plus ax plus b. Also function gx is defined in terms of fx. All right. They have given the value of g of 12 as 144. So first of all, let us use this thing. Now, from here, I can say that g of 12 can be written as f of 12 plus 2, that is 14, minus f of 12 minus 2, that is 10. Okay. Now f of 14. So f of x is x square plus ax plus b. So f of 14 can be written as 14 square, which is 196, plus 14a plus b. So this is f of 14 minus f of 10. F of 10 will be 100 plus 10a plus b. Now this value is given as 144 in the question. So upon simplifying, it will be 196 minus 100, that is 96, plus 4a, b will be cancelled, and that is equal to 144. So the value of a will come out to be 12. Okay. Now if the value of a is 12, I can say that fx, the function, will be x square plus 12x plus b. All right. Now it is also given in the question that the function fx is always greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now since this is a quadratic function, and if its value is always greater than or equal to 0, that means the function, the parabola, will always be either above x-axis or it will just touch x-axis. That means it will never intersect x-axis at two distinct points. So we can say that either for this function, the number of roots will be 0 or the number of roots will be 1. The number of real roots I'm talking about. Okay. So if the function is greater than or equal to 0, so either it will happen like the function will be, the graph will be completely above x-axis, or it will just touch the x-axis. Now if I combine this scenario, I can say that the discriminant will always be either less than or equal to 0. Okay. Now discriminant in this function will be b square minus 4ac, that is 12 square, which is 144, minus 4 times b, will always be less than or equal to 0. So we can say that 4b will be greater than equal to 144, and hence b will always be greater than or equal to 36. Right? Now the question is asking us to find out the least possible value of b. Since b will always be greater than or equal to 36, the least possible value of b will be equal to 36, and 36 will be the correct answer for this question. So that was question number 11. Let's move on to the next question.